to use your Pluxee card for online shopping. 1. Go to your favorite online store or shopping app that accepts credit or debit card payments. 2. Add the items you want to buy to your cart and proceed to checkout. 3. On the payment page, choose credit, debit card as your payment method. 4. Take your Pluxee card, formerly Sodexo, and check the card number, expiry date, and CVV on it. 5. Enter these details exactly as shown on your card in the payment section. 6. Enter your name as it appears on the card and confirm the payment. 7. If required, enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number or email for verification. 8. Once approved, the payment will go through and the amount will be deducted from your Pluxee balance. 9. If the store doesn't directly accept Pluxee, you can use your balance to buy gift cards or vouchers from Pluxee partner merchants and use those for your online purchase.